Bryan Daniels is the CEO of the Blount Partnership, and Jack Helmboldt runs DENSO in Maryville. Thank you both for being here today.
Absolutely, our pleasure.
Jobs. I mean, that's what you're about. Workforce development. What kind of jobs are you recruiting to Blount County? And then talk a little bit about Pellissippi State's integral role in that.
So this is a very exciting time for Blount County and really the whole region too. The jobs that are coming into our area aren't just one sector. They range from manufacturing, predominantly in automotive. However, there are corporate headquarter jobs coming in, there's accounting jobs coming in, there's aerospace jobs coming in, there's research and development technology-based jobs coming in that are based around the research at Oak Ridge Labs. It's a very exciting time. And for us as a community, Pellissippi State is on the tip of the spear for us and helping develop the workforce needs that we have and helping provide the training that we need. And we're excited about the campus there in Blount County.
I'm excited to have both of you here today because this is really a dynamic example of workforce development. Jack, first of all, thank you for being such a great corporate partner, not only in Blount County, but in the state of Tennessee. But let me talk to you about the importance of a Pellissippi State in providing the workforce so you can expand and grow.
Well, honestly, we've been working with Pellissippi State since 1992, and it's been a good collaborative effort. They've helped us tremendously in a number of things. And to support this new technology building that they're trying to build is going to be important for all manufacturers in Blount County, but especially DENSO, I think. In our case, we think it's going to be a very important thing for them to do. And we're all focused in Maryville and in DENSO on community, environment, education, and diversity. Those are our main four factors that we're trying to work with in the community, so we want to be a good community partner.
Well, you are, and we thank you because everybody likes great jobs. Talk a little bit about the job growth in Pellissippi State. I know you guys have really invested in this because lowering unemployment was a big goal, making sure that people have jobs, but now it's wage growth. Talk about, as you're looking at expanding and growing in Blount County and partnering with people like DENSO, why that's even more important today.
You know, the governor's Tennessee Promise has made it so much more easier for a child to get an education here. And with the plethora of jobs that are available in our community, it is inherent in all of us to have a world-class training center that everybody can get a standard of education at and take on these jobs like DENSO is creating to propel our community.
Well, you guys are making a tremendous contribution. Bryan and Jack, thank you for what you're doing to help us kind of in real time show the community how important the investment in education and training people so they're ready for the opportunities that will enhance their lives and make life better for all of us in our state. You're a real-time example of that, and thank you for that. Thank you for being here today. I appreciate what you guys are doing.
Thank you.
Thank you.